virus or COVID-19 is spreading globally, mainly from person to person through contact with droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes or contaminated surfaces and objects. Signs and symptoms of COVID-19 are high body temperature, coughing, sneezing, headache, body aches, and difficulty in breathing, which starts within 14 days of being infected.
Time. No.
What is that?
Right, it's okay. He wants to come today.
Because he knows.
Yeah, to play with me.
You see how easy it is to get here? He's not gonna like it today. I know you're not gonna like it. I know you're not gonna like it. No, no.
No. It's okay today.
Oh.
Someone found this cat and brought it to the bed. So cute. I know. Looking for a home. You wanna come out? You're gonna come out today. So are you ready to listen?
Yeah, we'll put it on top here.
On top what?
stray. They don't like. Make sure he doesn't play on those poo. The grass looks so beautiful.
Yeah. He's so cute. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Go. No. Wait. You wanna come out?
You better not sit here.
Look how muddy you got. Look how muddy your feet got and wet. Why'd you do that? I don't know. Come here. No. 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 We're not going there.
He's scared at the moment.
Is he? Let me feel his heart. Oh yeah. Or excited.
Right.
You have to learn not to step on mud, okay? Why didn't we think of that? But his tail is all.
Bye.
It's so cute. Oh. Is it hot? What's wrong? He wants some shade.
Stress.
This day.
We just comfort him.
Come. This is now how we're walking the cat. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh.
Afraid, nothing.
Water. Are you scared of water? Of course he is. Where are you? Are you hiding in the sweater? No, no. Not in the mat. Come on. No.
Right. Come here. Come.
It's like, no, it's my other mommy's son. So sunny.
think so?
Yeah.
It's not very dirty.
Bring your other. It melted.
Your destination will be on the left.
Huh? No.
Just
Oh, double parking. So do we go behind? Single. I mean double. Okay. Go forward. Go forward.
time to collect the bill.
I do. Huh?
I love this. Yes, I love this.
So from here home.
KFC. Yay! I got my food. Let's go eat. Wow, the burger looks so
This
nice.
way, I'm guessing.
And it's hot. Oh, can't wait to eat. How have they wrapped it? Look what I got. A crusher.
Drive-thrus are so fast.
Yeah. I think they just have things ready for you for the in cars.
Yeah.
But the rest have to wait a bit.
They are blessings and blessings.
Yeah.
But Lavington, you're told to wait for chips 10 minutes.
Just 2 minutes, and I think it took a shorter time even.
He's on the other side.
Hi, I'm in bed. So I'm about to sleep because I didn't get enough sleep earlier. But before I do that, I'm gonna edit today's vlog. I had so much fun. So let me just edit that, then sleep. Okay, so if you reached this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. And if you're subscribed, oh my god, thank you so much for just joining my family, my YouTube family, my small YouTube family. And I really appreciate you. As for those who have not subscribed, please do if you really like my content. Thank you so much. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends to help just support my channel.